So guys, nandito na ang batch 12, 13, 14 I think. So PSA din to. Yan niya, na-hold to sa customs. Grabe kasi yung customs. Unboxing na natin ngayon. Pero at least na-release naman na siya. Yan. So, ayan guys. Unboxing time. So, kung gusto nyo magpa-grade guys, you can contact me at Kiel Santos or scan the QR. Maglalagay yung QR dyan guys for your scan. Ay, grabe. So, we have 2 boxes of PSA. So this is Kiel Santos, this is mine. Narinig niyo yung kidlat guys, ay yung kulog. Oh shit, nakadikit pala. Yan. Para makita nyo yung unboxing natin. So it composed of 24 cards, 1 row. So yung row is papagrade natin. Pero lahat to graded syempre. Ay putya ka. Ay. Ay, nakatape pa pala. PSA return. Yan. Thumbnail. Yan. Okay na guys. So, unbox muna natin tong konti. Dito ka muna. Yung konti muna. So, yung isang card is si Eevee. First card. Ano ba to? Ayan. Tama ba? Ira, Scarlet Revenger from Flesh and Blood promo 5th anniversary. Ang grade niya ay PSA 10. Not bad. Next is Jolteon from Prismatic Special Art Rare PSA 9. Grabe naman, hindi pa siya nag-PSA 10. And the delivery Charizard from UK Pokemon Center Holo. This one is, pwede mag-10 to guys. PSA 9. Next is this. So, hindi na tayo nag-isang camera guys. Mamaya na lang kapag magbibideo tayo ng for the shorts. So, ganito natin nanin. First, Uta from OP5. This is a PSA 10. Not bad, not bad. Next one. Another Uta from OP5 in Japanese. This one is PSA 8. Grabe naman. So, anong pinagkaiba nito? Ba't naging 8 yung isa? Off-centered ba? Yeah, off-centered masyado ito. Pero wala, hindi, may white sa gilid guys. So, kung may white yung cards nyo guys, huwag nyo ng laban na yan, may white siya. Kaya nag-8. Next. Boa Hancock from OP4. So, everything is good. May isang dot of white siya dito. May isang dot of white. So, yeah. May isang dot of white. Ayan. Kaya makikita nyo yung whites talaga yung nagpapaano. Kailangan ko yata big monitor habang nagbibideo eh. Next one is OP4 ulit. Boa Hancock. Kitang-kita force to guys. So, wala siyang whites. PSA 10, di ba? So, anong pinagkaiba nila? PSA 8 lang pala to. May one dot of white. Yun yung pinagkaiba nila. Next one is Nami from OP5. So, this one has no whites. Good centering and goods all. And yeah, it's PSA 10. Just as I thought. Another one from OP3. So, ito lang yung maganda sa OP3 guys. No whites. Goods everything. And it is a PSA 10. Next one is Yamato from OP5. Puro OP5 pala yung pinasa dito guys. No whites. Yeah, no whites. PSA 10. Not bad, not bad. Another Yamato. No whites. Yeah, no whites. Good surface and PSA 10. Another one. Puro OP guys. And Nami. PSA 10. Sabi ko sa inyo guys, pag wala masyadong whites, talagang magte-10 yan. May low tick ito. Merong one dot. May whites dun sa taas. If titingnan nyo, may whites. May whites din sa baba. So, I guess this is 9 or 8. I thought. Just what I thought. So, this one is Blastoise from 151. And it has a white. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, so, 4 corners of white. Yeah, PSA 9. Next one is Latios from Electric Breaker yata to. Or Dragona. PSA 10. Not bad, not bad. Next one is from Prismatic ulit. Yan. Basta Japanese card, mataas chance na mag-10. O, diba? Sabi sa inyo guys eh. Basta Japanese cards, kaya talaga mag-10. Puro Pokemon na tayo guys. Lugia. Ito medyo perfecto. Meron siya medyo white dun sa baba pero hindi halata. PSA 10. Grabe naman. Next one is Latias from Surging Sparks Special Illustration. So may whites. Yan yung mga sakit ng mga cards ngayon. Puro may white sa gilid. So 9. Sabi na nga ba. Another one. So this one is Kilowatt Trail. PSA 9. May whites kasi. At least naka-slabs. Reshiram. PSA 10. So ito yung napupul. Maganda yung gilid-gilid niya. Next one is Reshiram Enhance. This one is PSA 9. Why? Wala naman siyang white. So ito pwede itong ilaban for PSA 10. Next one. Manga Luffy. So, wala siyang whites guys. Wala siyang whites. Pero yung surface niya, meron siyang mga dotted. Let's see. PSA 9. Grabe naman. Next is Manga Kid. PSA 9. So, yeah. Yung sa mga nasubmit natin is halos 9 and konti yung 10. At least, di ba? Walang below 10. I mean, below 8. Merong mga 8 kasi yung sobrang malaking whites. So, yun lang yung for today's video. I think, batch 14 na yata to. 15. Nakalimutan ko na nung batch natin eh. So, yun lang for today's video. I hope you enjoyed my video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. So, papadala na natin to sa may-ari. Yeah. Then, si Bat. Then, yeah. Okay, picture ko muna pala. Anyways guys, picture. Peace.